Working for Te Wānanga o Aotearoa is a chance to make a difference in people's lives and your own by uplifting our communities and celebrating all cultures. Whether you're working behind the scenes or one of our frontline Kaiako, you'll be part of a kaupapa that's grounded in Māori values, dedicated to learning and committed to helping others succeed no matter your background. We prioritise not only the growth of our tauira, but also the development of every kaimahi who joins us.
I chose to study with Te Wānanga o Aotearoa because as a kaimahi, there's a lot of support for me there, which has been really exciting.
From seeing the graduation today with a huge turnout of tauira from 2023, I think they've hopefully picked up some sort of encouragement or confidence to take their own steps.
You will be surrounded by passionate people who share your dedication to making a difference and the desire to leave Aotearoa a better place for the generations that follow. Te Wānanga o Aotearoa has provided an alternative within the New Zealand tertiary education sector for over 30 years. And in that time, we have endeavoured to better the lives of more than 300,000 graduates and their whānau. Ko ngā auara, te aroha, te whakapono, ngā ture and kotahitanga. These values are the foundation for all kaimahi. By following these values, we ensure that the actions we take achieve successful outcomes for our tauira as well as staff. Te Wānanga o Aotearoa is more than just a workplace. It is a whānau. We believe that what's good for Māori is good for the world. And we'd love for you to come and experience that.